5 easy ways to get paid to watch videos online. Number 1. Swagbucks. One of the easiest ways to make money online is with Swagbucks. You will earn bucks for watching a variety of videos ranging from world news, sports highlights, and other themed videos. It's even possible to get paid to watch videos that are sponsored. The easiest way to start earning is to switch your default search engine to Swagbucks, rather than Google or Bing. You'll automatically start racking up points just for surfing the web like you normally do, but using their browser instead. Earn Swagbucks points just by watching a few videos. The payouts here aren't that high, but you're getting paid to be entertained. The type of content you're sent to view varies massively, including everything from adverts to news content and viral clips. Number 2. Inbox Dollars. This site allows you to make money watching a variety of short videos on a daily basis. As one of the leading Swagbucks alternatives, you will also make money completing surveys, playing online games, performing web searches, and signing up for promotional offers. Check out the 100% free offers area of the Inbox Dollars site to earn cash, between 25 cents to $3, for trying a new product or service with no money down and no credit card required. Download the Inbox Dollars toolbar to use its paid search feature. You earn $1 for downloading the toolbar and 1 cent per search per day, up to a maximum of 5 cents per day. Simply watch short videos on Inbox Dollars.com and you'll earn up to 6 cents per short video. New videos are posted every week, so you'll always have new opportunities to watch and earn. Number 3. National Consumer Panel. This site tracks people's opinions on a variety of subjects. While the site is primarily focused on tracking your shopping habits by scanning of products you purchase, they also provide video surveys to collect your opinion for advertising campaigns and product spots. When you join the program, you will be sent the scanner device to your residential address, which you will later use every time you visit the supermarket to buy groceries. As this is an activity that you normally do anyway, National Consumer Panel is a good way to get paid for doing nothing new or out of the ordinary in your life's routine. It might take 10 extra minutes or so, but you can get rewarded for it. Once the week is over, you will have to transfer the data to National Consumer Panel so they can turn it into points that you later will be able to redeem into gift cards and prizes. In addition to this, you will also have a chance to complete surveys and record other information about your shopping, like how much you paid, which method you used, and where you went shopping. All these activities also generate points that go to your account balance. Number 4. Watching Netflix. As the most popular subscription video streaming service, Netflix periodically hires taggers to watch and tag their programming, to provide accurate recommendations to fellow subscribers. Officially known as editorial analysts or creative analysts, the more known colloquial title is Netflix taggers. The job of these editorial analysts, creative analysts or taggers includes watching lots of content on Netflix, then tagging each of the films and the episode with the particular relevant metadata. In case you don't previously know, this is one of the ways Netflix uses to put together relevant information about some of the shows or movies you watch. Metadata provides relevant information about the shows and movies. Number 5. Watching YouTube videos. Another video service that lets you watch a video on just about any topic is YouTube. Paid2YouTube.com will pay you to watch videos. To maximize your earning potential, take the time to rate videos, leave comments, and subscribe to YouTube channels. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Click that notifications bell for future video updates. Also, if you have enjoyed this video or learned something new, then click the like button. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Here is some bonus information for you. The future is now. This product is a brand new guide for people looking to succeed on YouTube without having to make any videos. It's 100% written by an AI, and the author has over 10 years of experience in this field. What could be better? Finally, you can be successful without any work at all. Click the link in the description to find out more.